Good afternoon, everybody. I am Dr. Devinder Singh Lal, orthopedic surgeon from Lal's Ortho Care Center, Jalandhar. So I am. So my topic is arthroscopic synovectomy. So I will present this in the indication and the procedure. So this is the anatomy of the any synovial joints. The inner lining is the inner lining is the synovial membrane, and it produces synovial fluid which help in the act as a shock absorber and provide the lubrication to the joints. So synovectomy is a procedure done to relieve pain from inflamed joint. Not only this, but whenever there is so much of inflammation, and sometimes we are in doubt of the diagnosis what is there, so we do synovial biopsy also, not only the complete synovectomy. So the indication is inflammatory arthritis, rheumatoid, hemophilia, pigmented villonodular synovitis, synovial tumor, and septic arthritis. And the rheumatoid, hemophilia, and the tubercular, they are inflammatory, they are extra-articular, and sometimes there are intra-articular pathology also. In case of the degenerative, when there is meniscus tear or ACL injury, in that case also there is synovial effusion, synovial hypertrophy. So synovectomy can be done medically, surgically, and radiologically. Medically, we can inject osmic acid and sometimes the rifampicin and the steroid to do synovectomy, and my main concern is surgical synovectomy. The surgical synovectomy you can do either with the standard open surgery or with the arthroscopic. Standard open surgery is a big incision and the healing time is more. The advantage of arthroscopic meniscectomy is that, like any other arthroscopic surgery, it's a day care procedure. You can admit the patient for 1 or 2 days and send them. So I have already told, in arthroscopic synovectomy you can completely remove the synovium in case of the villonodular synovitis and others, and you can take only biopsy whenever you are in doubt whether it is tubercular or it is rheumatoid. In that case you can do only biopsy, but if there is other pathology, then you can remove the whole of the synovium. Arthroscopically, we do only mainly two portal, anterolateral and anteromedial. Anteromedial is mainly for the procedure and anterolateral is for the scope. And all arthroscopy, as I have told, all arthroscopic procedure we do under tunicate, but in case of synovectomy it is better not to exsanguinate the limb, otherwise whatever the inflammation is there or prominent vessels and other things are there in the synovium, and you are not able to see all those. So it is better to do only tunicate or without tunicate. If you have a very good cautery system available with you, then you can do even without tunicate. Without tunicate you can see the inside the joint better. So these are the few pictures. On left side it's the normal synovium which is covering the fat pad, ACL, and it's only on the meniscus part. And on the right side there is hemorrhagic. Whenever there is some injury, so your synovium looks like this. So this is a case of rheumatoid where synovium is hypertrophied and hyperemic, and some of the color had changed. Normally the synovium is transparent, but if you will see, it is red in color. So this is synovial chondromatosis, where once you will put the scope, you will see inside this type of the chondromatosis. So this is synovitis with crystalline deposit, like in gout patient. Whenever you put the scope, you will see this type of the crystal deposit inside over the synovium. So this is fibrinous deposit after hemarthrosis, and even in the rheumatoid patient you will see this type of the synovium. So this is small video presentation of the synovectomy.
This is
Huh. क्लिक करो, उतने ही क्लिक करेंगे हो जाए.
कितनी नहीं होती ये ना
एंटर करके देखिए।
होता नहीं पेन ड्राइव स्पीच ऊपर
So sorry, the video is not playing. Normally we put the scope and see all over the knee joint, and whenever we are in doubt whether it is tubercular or this rheumatoid, we take the biopsy from the different angles of the knee and do the normally we do complete synovectomy only in case of villonodular synovitis, and if it is too much of painful, then only we do. Thank you so much.